members of the respective youth clubs, ladies, gentlemen, village elders, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good day to you all. I was in Ra last week, where I have opened a new bakery shop, an initiative by the youth club, who partly funded the business using the proceeds from their farm. That launch was significant because the project was a direct result of the Youth Farm Initiative Program. And most of you will recall, I could remember most of you when we last met. I have always said that when we come out to give out the grants, that is not the end of it. Some of you have been doing that, so we come and assist. Some of you start a new business, so we come and assist as well. But I remember saying that whenever you will require more assistance, we will definitely come and assist. And this is a very good example of the project taken by the youth in Ra. They were involved in the youth farm. They had their revenue after the deduction on the cost. Whatever surplus they had, they contributed to that bakery shop, and it costed around 16,000 something. And that bakery shop is going to look after 10 to 12 villages in and around. And they promised me last week that they will take that business to another level. They are thinking of now extending the building and having a supermarket. So what I'm trying to say is that whatever we're going to give out today, don't just think that that's the end of it. I mean, I've just had the Naitutu Youth Club's achievement. And I remember that I did said when we last met that we will come and assist you on your progress. And that's exactly what we are doing today. This morning, we were at Taro village. We gave them boat with engine and also farm implements, which included brush cutters. Now, those youths have got a contract with the school and the villages. That's another way of generating revenue. So you are not stuck at one place. You are expanding the business arm. And that is what I want you, the two clubs who are here, to please take this into account and see how you can expand your business. And I've always said that gone are the days of our elders. This is the time for us to give something back to them and look after them. And we can only do that if we are serious about what we are doing. You all will hear a lot of things now. That we will do this for the youth sector, we will do this for the youths. But you all know. So my message here today is that please do not be misled. You just do the right thing, what you have been doing. For yourself and for your families. The Youth Farm Initiative brings our country wonderful opportunities. And this program is basically a partnership between Ministry of Youth and Sports, the landowners, and the youth clubs. And I take this opportunity to share the success stories that we have. When we started this program, we thought that our youth will not come forward. But I can tell you, without any hesitation, that as of today, we have thousands of youth taking part in this program. And there are so many success stories, and it will take hours for me to relay all those success stories. But a time will come, we are doing stories of all these recipients to put it up in a booklet, and we will distribute to all the youth clubs so that you can see for yourself how your colleagues are doing across the country. This morning, I also said at Taro village that the grants that we give is not a handout. It's so unfortunate that in some places where we have given out the grant to our youth, to our young ones, and then we hear in Parliament that we are only giving this because of election. Those type of statements are direct insult to our young ones. We have been doing this for the last 5-6 years. So that's why I'm saying, please be careful. Ladies and gentlemen, this program, we have seen it, we have observed, that it also brings jobs. It generates economic activity and open doors for more innovative projects like the one I have just mentioned. As farmers in Fiji, we have to understand, and we all are aware, that the quality of soil that we have and the climate to produce fruits, vegetables, and livestock that match the quality of anything found overseas. As farmers, you are also well aware with the realities of our changing climate. And I want to urge all of you that whenever you plan for a program, whenever you plan for a project, you need to have a plan. And that is why we have appointed assistant youth officers across the country to come and meet you, to come and discuss your plan, and also to assist all of you if you require assistance from our other ministries, so that you don't have to run here and there. That is another reason why we have opened up an office in Nassori. Because what we have found out, that there are thousands of youths in this province. We cannot look after our young ones operating from Suva. We cannot. And that is why on ground you have assistant youth officers. Government has given assistance to farmers whose livelihoods was destroyed in floods, cyclone. And as I've said earlier on, that this is not the end of the grant that I'm going to hand over today. Because if I'm going to do that, and if I'm going to make those type of statements, you may think, what's next? So we don't want you, the young ones, to think like that. We want you, the young ones, to think about positive things. How to move forward. And that's why I have given my assurance. Ladies and gentlemen, through this program, we intend to help you to contribute in feeding your community, growing our agriculture sector, and help us to create a healthier Fiji. I hope you will take full advantage of this grant. As always, government stands ready to do everything we can to support the youth sector and support the critical role each of you play in growing our economy, strengthening our food security, and sustaining our people's well-being. So with these few words, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I want to wish all the best to the two respective youth clubs who are present here, and may God bless us all. Vinaka, and thank you.
Vinaka.